Hello everyone, how to do it. So back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to convert your Adobe Illustrator file to DXF file format. So you can see this is the Adobe Illustrator. So I just created some things here, but I need to convert this file into DXF file format. So you can see this is the call file. Simply click on that, and after that you can see option export and export as. Simply click on that, and you can see design and the below save as type. So simply click on that, and you can see DXF Autodesk Real DWG. So after that export, and you can see set the version. If you want, then you can say this is the latest version. You can choose your version and their scale, and there are some PNG or JPG which file format you want to need. So I just keep it PNG, and after that you can keep this like this way, or if you want something more then you can mark it here, and after that simply click OK. So then this file format will be saved on DXF. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.